Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another product review, this time from JF.EGWO. Now I was sent this jump starter from them directly. They wanted me to test and review this product. Now they did send me a jump starter with an air compressor. Really enjoyed that. That is in one of my vehicles, and it's been providing great service. I've used the air compressor numerous times and just keep it off once a month for the last 4 or 5 months, and it's done really well for me. This is just a jump starter, so it comes in this box. Now, not too sure if this is going to be the way you're going to get it, because I believe this is a review sample, because if you look, I believe this is what you will receive. This is what it looks like. So just wanted to put that out there. If yours looks a little different than this, because mine is a review sample. Now this is a new model of theirs, and it is pretty powerful. As you can see there, 4,000 amp output on here. Now realistically it's about 3,000 cold cranking amps, which is an insane amount of power. This does have some weight to it. We'll go over some of the features here. The output 12 volt 10 amp. You got the USB 5 volt 2.4 amp. You've got the USB type C, which is 65 watts. So that is impressive. This is what the box looks like here. Shows you about the display here. Now this is a large display for a jump starter. Normally they're really small and can be hard to see, especially during the day. But according to this company, this one alleviates that problem. You will not have that issue with this one. Alright, well let's go ahead and open this up, see what's in. Nice packaging here, nothing's going to happen to it. Here's a big thank you here on the back of the user manual. Here's some information about how to contact them, and believe it or not, this is the same email that I use when I talk to them, so they are very responsive to any kind of questions you may have about their products or issues. They will respond back to you. Pretty straightforward on the user manual. Here's the unit. Set this over here to the side. Let's see. Oh, good. So that this, I was wondering if it came with a bag, because when I throw them in the vehicles, I definitely like to have a nice storage bag. This is a felt bag. I kind of like the hard cases better, but no biggie. They do have an Amazon store. That's what they want me to feature here. Not too sure what else is down in here. Might be the charging cables here. Take these out. Yeah, these here are definitely nice and strong. Clamp inside is pretty much all metal here. Now this part here, you're going to plug it in to the jump starter. You're first going to hook up the battery. So that's the trick here. You don't want to cause any sparks near the battery, because if it is venting, because it is low, definitely don't want any kind of a spark. What you're going to do is you're going to hook up the battery first, then you're going to plug this into the unit. Because it's so deep in there, there's no chance of it sparking. Now the unit itself is not on when you do it anyways, but just to be extra safe, that's the way they want you to do it. So there's absolutely no way to get a spark out of the battery, causing a fire or an explosion. Now this here is the wall charger. Now you can't see that here, but it's 12 volt, 1.6 amps. So that's pretty powerful charger there. Should be able to get this thing charged up pretty quickly. Here's the Type C to Type C charging cable. Here's a little adapter they provided you to be able to plug in a cigarette lighter device, maybe another USB charger if you want. Got tons of those in my vehicle. That's everything out of here. So now, let's go ahead and get this situated on my desk here. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the unit. It's got this taped up here. Nice. Nice rubberized coating here on the outside. It's got some rubber feet on here. It's got some weight to it. It's not super heavy. The lithium ones are never super heavy anyways. It does have a flashlight built into it. There's the jumper cable input there. And this side has your 4 outputs. One of them are input, USB, Type C out, 65 watt. There's your adapter that it gives you. It goes in there, and then your charging input there. Trying to see how this tight goes. Yeah, that goes in there nice and tight. That's easy enough to keep that nice and sealed. So now here there's 2 buttons. There's for the light, I believe. Here's for the power. Okay, so in order to turn this on, they've incorporated a double click. So if it, for some reason, something lays on it, press down and holds the button, it's not going to turn on. So for example, sit there and hold it, something is on it all the time, it's not going to turn on. Double click turns it on to make it a little bit harder for it to easily be turned on. That display is really nice and bright. 100%. I did not charge this yet. It tells you the wattage that it's putting out when you're charging, say like a cell phone for example. Well, we're going to go ahead and turn on the light. Same goes for this one. Wrong end. We're going to double click. Turns on the light. Yeah, that's probably about 35 lumens. Not a real bright light, but that's okay. Double click again. We'll get you a flashing. Double click again, we'll get you SOS. Double click turns it off. Pretty simple on that. Remember, double click on the buttons is a safety feature, so it doesn't accidentally get turned on. It's easy. Show you the bottom of the unit there. Now if you need more time to read that, go ahead and pause screen. Now let's grab this cable here and try to power up my phone and see if I can get this. Now the screen has gone dark. It automatically shuts off if there's nothing being pulled from it. So no worries on that. Remember, double click. We'll turn it back on. Let me grab my cell phone here. Now my cell phone here is pretty much fully charged, I believe. It's at 99%, so we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can get this to respond. Charging output 65 watt. Now that's up to, it's not going to draw that if the battery of your item does not have the ability to achieve that. I'm going to go ahead and double click, turn it on. We can see here about 3 watts, and that's because my phone is basically at 99%. If this here was maybe 40% or less, it would probably pull more from this, but it tells you what the jump starter is putting out at that time. Very nice display on here. It's large. You can clearly see this. So it looks like it's homing in right at 4 watt after a few seconds. It would probably be more if it wasn't so fully charged. Sorry about that. But that is a nice feature to be able to know what your unit is pulling, especially being able to see your battery level here. The automatic shutoff is of course very nice, because I myself have left it on by mistake, and I have another unit that's an air compressor, and you leave it on, it stays on till the battery's dead. So I didn't know that until I accidentally did it and went to use it the next time and it was dead. So this here feels like very good build quality. I know their air compressor that I've used over and over and over again has been very good. I don't have a vehicle to be able to jump start for this, but the other one I've used on a Good Samaritan thing. I jump started a little V6 Lexus, and I was very surprised it dropped it down to maybe about 89% on that one jump. So that was impressive. That was a big V6. It was pretty dead, didn't even have lights on it. So that was the other unit that has the air compressor, and it's only 3,000 amp. This one here being 4,000. I'm really excited to be able to use this next time. If I ever need to, this will be ready to go as well. Alright, well, let's go ahead and take this out to my garage and see how the performance is on this light on the side. We are out here in the darkness of my garage with the F40 jump starter here. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Got power there. Now we're going to turn on the flashlight, see how it does. Double click there. About 35 lumens. Not a whole heck of a lot. Still working on components. Now that we've had some breaks in the storm. No power outages as of late. So good performance. This will run on this battery pack for a very long time. Now the display changes. You'll see the flashlight icon there. So it shows that you have the light on, USB charging it, or the jump starter. That's pretty nice. Double click again. Your strobe and SOS, and double click again, shuts it off. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little demonstration of the light on the side. A very nice quality built unit. Hoping that I'll be able to get a chance to use it, not personally on my own vehicles, because that would mean there's something wrong, but if I do need it, it's here. These cables have a safety connect feature. If you put it wrong on the battery, it's going to alert you and let you know, so you have to reverse the polarity in order to get a good jump start. It will let you know. You can even connect them together, and they'll let you know that they cannot allow a jump to go through. Impressive feature. That way anybody can do it. Your wife can get it, put it on her own vehicle, and be able to jump start that vehicle. Even grandma, even the kids to help you out. Pretty much going to be a fail-safe option. This here is a lot better than jump starting from vehicle to vehicle, in my opinion. And if you do use your vehicle, make sure that the vehicle you are jumping from is off. You don't want to be pulling from that charging system. So very nice to be able to have this stored in the little bag that it comes with here. All the accessories, you have it whenever you need it. Okay, well, I want to thank JF.EGWO for sending me this jump starter to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember, this is a very powerful unit. Now, they do sell bigger units. If you are interested in this one, I will leave a link down in the description to their Amazon store. I am also working on a discount code. If it is, it'll probably be a clip, the coupon to save, and that'll help you save some money on this, just in case you are interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Every little bit helps. Otherwise, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these jump starters to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.